Hello everyone, this is Dafir, and today I'll show you how to grow your deposit with simple and effective trades. Trust me, trading isn't as complicated as it may seem, and I'm sure you can succeed if you approach it with interest and a desire to learn. Today we'll be using the stochastic indicator to find the best entry points. If you're interested in this strategy, please like and subscribe in advance. Let's get started. Let's start with the first trade on the Australian dollar-Canadian dollar currency pair. Here we can see a long bearish impulse following our historical high, and the chart has now entered consolidation. This indicates that the trend might be false, and a price rebound is likely. We'll use the stochastic indicator to confirm the signal. I'm entering buy trade with an amount of $50 on a 1-minute time frame. Great! The price moved in the right direction, and our first trade closed in profit, bringing us $95. Let's move on. By the way, friends, we have a Telegram channel where I share current news from the trading world and strategies. The channel also provides access to a trading bot that assists with the decision making. The link is in the description. Join us and try out this convenient tool. Now let's move on to the second trade on the Swiss franc-Japanese yen currency pair. Here we can see that the chart is still in consolidation, but we enter the trade at the end of the impulse, and I expect a continuation of the downward movement. The stochastic indicator shows that sellers are gaining strength, so it's likely the trend will continue. I'm investing $95 for a sell trade on a 1-minute time frame. As expected, the second trade was profitable. Our balance increased to $177. The consolidation worked, and we achieved a good result. I see we are on the right track. Let's move on to the final trade on the Australian dollar-Japanese yen currency pair. On the chart, we observe a resistance line forming, and we entered at the lowest point in the current period. Given this, I'm investing in a buy trade because the candle is likely to approach the resistance line. I'm using $177 for a 1-minute trade. Once again, a successful outcome. Our balance grew to $340, and this is a great example of how the stochastic indicator and proper identification of entry points can aid trading. Today we demonstrated how to effectively grow a deposit using clear signals and indicators. If you like this format and want to receive more useful strategies, subscribe to the channel and definitely check out our Telegram. There you'll find results from our trading session and support from the trading community. Good luck and successful trades to everyone. See you next time.